Hello everyone, this is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com and I'm back with another video. So today's project that I'm going to work on is an alternative project from the December 2021 paper pumpkin kit called Lots of Pun. And I'll show you exactly what I'm going to be working with. I'm using a lot of the elements from the kit. A lot of the stamps that I'm going to use. So I have the stamps right here. Let me set that aside. So I'm going to use the stamps. And let me show you what I think I have everything. Got a lot of bits and pieces. So instead of using the cardstock that was provided, I got my own. And this is Granny Apple Green. This measures 6 by 7, scored at 3.5. And what I'm going to make is a mini Slimline card. So I already have that. I have a piece of basic white that measures, I believe this is 5 3/4 by 3 1/4. This is going to be for the inside. I have another piece of basic white that measures 5 3/4 by 2 1/8. And I have a piece of the, this is the envelope, one of the envelopes that, for the kit, the Daffodil Delight envelope, where I've cut it up and I'm using a small piece of that for the card front, one of the layers. And this measures 5 3/4 by 1 1/16. I know, crazy, crazy. I have another piece of, Granny Apple Green, and this measures 5 3/4 by 3/8. And I have the little, these are so cute, the banana, the cherry, the eggs, and the toast. And I have that, and I'm going to use lots of different stamps. So let's go ahead and get started. So I can move, let's see, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp. Let me move some of this out of the way. I'm going to be using some different inks that are related to the kit. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the outlines on all of these particular, move that out of the way, elements. So how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. Christmas is just about here. One more day. Oh, somebody's outside with a loud car. But it is what it is. So I have that. So now I'm going to do the, bend that back. I'm going to do the cherries. I got to get a little bit closer so I can see. There we go. And let's see the next one. Let me move these out of the way so I know what I've used already. And I'll do the banana. Okay, did that one. And what else? Oh, the egg. So I'll do the egg. Let me see which way it's supposed to turn. Which way does it go? There we go. And like so. So I'm going to set that aside. And so for each one, I'm going to put a smiley face on. So we're going to do that with the egg. And there's some smaller ones with the cherry, but I'm going to do this one in as well. Well, this works. And so next for the banana, I think the toast. We're gonna have the toast wear glasses. There we go. And then we'll give him the smiley face. So cute. And then for the banana, he's going to have the smiley face. And then we'll put some, oh, we'll give him, we'll make it a him. We'll give him a mustache. Super cute. Okay, so I'm finished with all of those, and I'm finished with the early espresso. So I can set that aside. Before I put them all together, I do want to stamp. And I'm going to be stamping. Well, first let me get the, well, I think I'll do the Granny Apple Green first, because I want to put a sentiment on the card. And this one is going to say, celebrate, go bananas. And I kind of want that up at the top. Okay, so I'll move that aside. And I had some scratch paper I was going to work with, but I don't know what I did with it. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to be putting a background. I think I'll do some background colors. So I have Poppy Parade. And let's see. Just random, however, wherever. Okay, I'll set that aside. Then the next one I want to do is the Granny Apple Green. So let me, get my, I'll wipe this off, wipe some of the color off. And we'll do the Granny Apple Green. Okay, so I'm going to put that up. And then the next one I'll do is the pool party, but I think I want to do the pool party in these dots. And it can go all over, it doesn't really matter. Super fun. I really love the cards that I made yesterday. They were really cute. They came out better than I expected. And these dots, they can go all over. It doesn't matter if it goes over the other colors or not. Okay, I'll put that aside. And I forgot to do the Daffodil Delight. So let me get that out. I knew I was missing something. And I'm going to do the hat and the Daffodil Delight as well. Yippers. Fun colors. Now these are colors, even though they came from the part of the kit, these are colors I probably wouldn't even think to put together. Okay, so I'm finished with that. Oh, nope, I'm not. I want to do the inside as well. Just a couple of stamps. What did I do with it? Just that quick. Oh, there it is, right in front of me. And I'm going to do it down one side, like that. And then I will do Poppy Parade. Let me wipe this off. And I'll wipe it off again. And then I'll do the Granny Apple Green. And I'm keep going back and forth and back and forth. Sometimes when you do random stamping, it feels weird. Cause like, is it really random? Okay, so I'll put that one aside as well. And then to coordinate it with the outside, I'll put the little pool party on the side as well. And you have a large space to write your sentiment. I'm not going to add any other sentiment to the inside because you can, however you want to do that. Okay, so there we go. So now we can put some of these things together. I think I'm just going to, since I have the dimensionals out. Well, you know what? I'm going to wait for that. I'm going to see if I really want the dimensionals or not. I'm not sure. So let's just go ahead and put this card together. And we'll start with the inside. I have my seal. And we'll put that inside, like so. And then we'll put this on the outside. Yep. Like so. And then the envelope, bottom layer. We'll go down here to line that up. And then the strip will go on in the middle. That'll go like so. And then we are going to place our little pieces. Yeah, and I will pop them up on dimensionals. This is a weird batch of dimensionals. Part of them seemed like they were just sticking to the paper. Which is weird. See, when I try to pull them up, I don't know. Maybe it's me. Put all these aside. I'm gonna put a couple on here. See, there's a backing that comes with it. Weird. Now the pieces are sticking to me. And the last one, the egg. Alrighty, the last two pieces. Okay. So I think I want, and we'll put this one. Well, I need a little small dimensional, a half dimensional for the top. I forgot about that. So I'm gonna snip a little piece off. Yeah, this is a weird batch of dimensionals. Okay, so I think I want the cherries like that. Like so. Down, and then I'll move you a little closer because it's a smaller card. And move it over, move that one over, place them down, and we're just about finished. And I'm going to go and put a couple of these little dots that were from the kit. This took me the longest time because they are so small, you guys. And there you have it, my friends. Super cute, a mini Slimline card. Stay tuned for my next video because then I'll show you how to make an envelope that will fit the mini Slimline card. Because it's bigger than, I guess you actually could put it in a regular envelope, but it's a little bit, no, I guess you can't because it's larger than the size. But at any rate, I've made a mini Slimline card envelope, and in my next video, I'll show you how to do that. So, thanks so much for stopping by. This is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com, and I will be back with another video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the little notification bell so you can be notified when future videos are uploaded. Thanks so much for stopping by again, and I'll be back real soon with another video. Have a great day. Bye.